There's a question that most people will never ask themselves when they start dating each other, or even when they start to fall in love with someone. But the moment you ask yourself that question, a lot of relationship, I think 99% of the relationship will stop making sense. And the question is very simple. Are you dating that person or their availability? The story part. The story of a boy and girl. They both met online and nothing special at first, just the random conversation, sometimes small chit chats between them. But there was something special about this guy. No matter when she texted, he replied. No matter what she complained, he was there to listen. No matter she had a bad day, so he made her comfortable around him. So slowly, they both started to become comfortable with each other. Whenever the notification pops on the screen, the comfort on their face started to appear. There was no giggle, there was no excitement, there was no intensity in the start. By the time people started calling them that why don't you both date each other, so ठीक है, ऐसा ही हुआ. They both started to date each other by the time. But here comes the strangest part. One day, a friend of that girl asked a simple question that why do you really like Arav? So her answers were always the same, like he is always there for me, he never avoids me, he never ignores me, and he's always available whenever I need him. Notice something. There's a simple one pattern that she repeats. She talks about the availability of that boy. Okay, and here comes the realization part. Sometimes, sooner or later, you realize something very uncomfortable, that sometimes our brain get confused. Sometimes we don't fall in love with the person. We fall in the love with the person the way they fill our spaces. We needed, they listened, so they listened. We needed them to be there, so they were there. And when someone keeps showing up you again and again, now your brain starts to confuse something comfortable with this love, which isn't true. So here comes the question part. I want you to think about this uncomfortable thing tonight. If the person you are dating suddenly stopped being available for you the way they are, will this change your behavior the way you are with them? Or will it remain the same the way you are with that person? Ask yourself, because this is something that makes your relationship comfortable and uncomfortable both at the same time. So think about it.